Guys and girls, just another short and sweet video. God bless you all. Thumbs up from me. I thank God for the grace. Welcome to the Real Love Festival Survival channel. And in this video, it's all about the fishing kit, guys and girls. This is improving your fishing kits. Number 3, the third one in the little series. If you've been following my videos, you want to scroll down and see the first couple that I was doing. And this is the third one, number 3. Okay, guys and girls, there will be more after this one. So, okay, improvements to this kit, as you've seen before. Okay, the Penn fishing rod. I used to have a black one, now I've got a silver one. It's got a much better reel. Okay, and this is the small Penn fishing rod right here. Okay, and as you saw, you see this before in the previous video, Salt Sea. These are feathered, coloured for sea figure. These are rigs, got hooks on there, feathers on there, some jelly lures, and these are good. These are reels, okay, yo-yo reels. And this one's here got some line, fishing line here, some more fishing line right there. Got various fishing line here as well, 8 pounds, and some other one here, and it's about 7 pound fishing line right there. Okay, in here just got some hooks, lines, sinkers, weights, various different size hooks in there, if you can make them out in there. Okay, I've got a couple more additions, but I'll come to them. Okay, in this right here we've got what I've actually done, I took out one of the floats, and what I've done is I've put some split sinkers in there. Okay, just sealed it with some sellotape. Okay, so that's another improvement. So I've got some more weights in here, and what I've basically done is where I took out one of the floats, I've actually put some split lines in there, various weights in here. Okay, so that's another improvement. Thank you to Unstoppable Tramp. Basically, I've got some worms right here, some rubber worms. Okay, and these are a good addition to the kit. Right, guys and girls, and what I've actually done down here, I'll show you this little idea. I've got myself a little, it's a bus pass holder, and basically what I've actually done, I've got a card, I took some hooks and basically taped them onto here, and what you could do with that is slot it right inside here where you put your bus pass cards, but now it's become a fishing hook cards. And done the same thing on this side. I've got various different sizes, small ones, medium and larger ones. I thought it was very convenient. I could just fold that up, and what I'll probably do is I'll probably turn this over, and I'll just turn it over like that. The weights ain't going to fall out because I've got sellotape holding the little split weights in there. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little box right in here. Okay, I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this right there, or maybe on the other side, or actually right there. Okay, what I'm actually going to do with this one, with this hook pack, okay, very thin, as you can see right there, and you could actually put it in a pocket, cargo pocket, and it fits right into your kit. I thought that was a cool little idea. Let me just show you quickly again. You can take them out, undo the sellotape, and then just take out what hooks you want, do the sellotape back up again, and then you can just slot them in there nicely. Right, guys and girls, just close it like that, and I was going to put it here. Okay, guys and girls, so I did that so it can fit into this bag. As you can see in the Improving Your Fishing Kits 1 and 2, all this stuff here, bar this stuff on the left here, fits into this pouch. Okay, which is a very small little pouch, but all this kit here fits nicely into this pouch. Moving on, guys and girls. So like I was saying, just bear with me. Like I was saying, I can put this flat on here. All right, guys and girls, and that's pretty not too thick, and that will fit nicely, like I said, into the pouch. Another improvement, obviously, what's needed very much in England, UK, is your fishing permit. Okay, guys and girls. So obviously, if I want to go fishing, but this cost me £30 for the year. It was £12 for a week, so I thought, well, £12 for a week or £30 for a year, no brainer. So I got myself a nice little waterproof pouch. to put my little permit in there. Okay, guys and girls, so that's another improvement. Obviously, you need your permit to go fishing in the UK. If you want to go sea fishing, you do need a separate permit. So you would have to have this one for river fishing, lake fishing, and then you would need another permit, for sea fishing. All right, guys and girls. So trying to keep the video nice and short and sweet. So there you are. I'll basically open up my little card of tricks. Excuse me, I don't believe in tricks. This is my card of hooks, rather. So there you go. I'll place that back down there for you to see. I'll put the fishing line here. Okay, guys and girls, just a short and sweet video, relatively short. Like I said, I've got my Penn fishing rod right here. Okay, guys and girls, let me just move it over for you to see. And hopefully soon I want to do a little video on me using my Penn fishing rod. Hopefully very soon, guys and girls. So there you go, guys and girls. An improvement, basically, these worms, the hooks, and of course my fishing permit. And you've seen this line before, 500 meters. I could also put that in one of my kits if I wanted to. And of course the black pouch, which I just showed you, it all fits in there. Alright, guys and girls, thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves. And if you want to like, share, subscribe, please do so. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. God bless you all, and be very careful out there. Okay, take care for now. God bless. Bye-bye.